Click Remove Liquidity whenever you're ready and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation, which means the money is already in your wallet. Just click on your Phantom wallet and check the huge profits there. I just doubled my investment in minutes, and you can do this too. I found a method that lets me make insane profits like this one. I already hit my goals, and honestly saving this for myself would be selfish. I will start from scratch with a new wallet, just to show you the step-by-step on how to do this. Maybe you're used to trading meme coins. I used to do that for a long time, and I got tired of losing money with random crappy coins that died immediately. So I did some research and found out about this new method that lets you double or even triple your investments in just minutes. That's what I'm teaching you today. The method is launching your coins instead of trading them. A lot of people think about Pump.Fun whenever they hear launching coins, but let me tell you why that's just wrong. Take a look at this list. If you stay here for just 5 minutes, you'll see more than 100 coins being launched before your eyes. It's impossible to get any attention here. Luckily, there's an alternative. Using Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Here you'll have way less competition. Why? Raydium needs you to know how to code and have advanced blockchain knowledge. That's why you'll always see bigger projects with way bigger market caps and volumes compared to Pump.Fun. Don't worry about that entry barrier though. I'll show you how to launch coins here without any of those requirements. The key is this site I found a while ago, Solana I've been testing it for a few weeks and it's been working perfectly fine. It lets you launch coins directly on Raydium, doing just a few clicks. No coding or any complicated stuff like that. Get ready because we're starting the process right now. First up, design a logo that's as viral as a top TikTok trend. The goal is making investors get interested in your coin. My trick is using whatever's hot right now. Memes, celeb drama, gaming hype, anything that's popping. For this one, I'm going with the absolute cinema meme. It's hilarious and always gets great engagement. Make sure your logo is sized at 500 by 500 pixels. Download it and boom, you're set for the next step. Now go back to solanatokenlabs.io and simply click here to connect your wallet. It'll ask for permission, so just accept it. In this section, you have to add your token's basic information. I'll go with Absolute Cinema Coin for the name and Cinema for the symbol. Don't forget to add your logo after that and then click Next. As soon as you hit the token settings page, don't touch anything. In the description, put something funny related to your coin. It's already dialed in perfectly. You want that full 1 billion token supply. Yes, all of it. We're going to use that later, so just smash that next button and let's roll. Up next, you'll see an option to toss in some social media links. Just ignore it. I never bother adding them, and it's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Click skip and move right along. Now you'll be asked if you want to include your name and a project website. But heads up, it's going to cost you 0.1 SOL. And honestly, it's not worth the spend. Just toggle it off, skip the upsell, and keep your SOL in your wallet. Now comes the fun part. Custom token endings. Solana Token Labs lets you stick a suffix like pump or moon onto your token address. This makes your coin look like it dropped from Pump.Fun, which helps stir up hype, build trust, and get early eyes on your project. Quick tip though, if you go with a 4-letter tag like moon or pump, expect a 20-minute wait for it to show up. If you want to move fast, just pick a short one like PM or MO. 2 lowercase letters do the trick and keep things smooth. Then you'll hit the final security switches. These matter a lot. If you turn off revoke freeze, that means trades could be frozen anytime. Red flag. Disable revoke mint. Now you can mint infinite tokens. Major red flag. Turn off revoke update. That means you could change the contract at will. Instant rug pull vibes. People do check these settings. If anything looks shady, your project's toast before it even begins. So just leave all 3 toggles on and hit launch my token now. Your wallet's going to pop up for a final approval. Tap confirm, wait a second, and boom, you've just launched your token live on Solana. Next up, let's confirm it's real. Click here to go to SolScan and check all the info about your coin. As you can see, the coin is here. It means that the token already exists on the Solana network. Now there's just one step left before your coin can be open for business. That step I'm talking about is adding liquidity to our coin. You need to create a liquidity pool in order for your coin to be tradable. So click on Create Liquidity Pool to get it going. You're now looking at Raydium's interface. Priority 1 is checking your wallet connection. You can notice mine auto-connected, but you may need to tap the Connect button up here. Now it's time to select the base token, which should be our meme coin. So click here, go to solanatokenlabs.io and copy your token's address. Paste it over here and input your token details. It's Cinema for the symbol and Absolute Cinema Coin for the name in my case. Click Add User Token and choose yours. You'll see the 1 billion token supply. Add 900 million to the pool. That's just the standard here. For the quote token, you'll want to use Solana. It's the golden standard. As the coin creator, you can go all in here. Clicking max is the move. Dropping at least 1 to 2 Solana into Liquidity makes your pool look juicy to traders. Just remember to save 0.2 Solana for Raydium's fee. When it comes to the fee tier, I'm a 2% guy myself, but 0.5% is cool too. Your call. Last move. Click that Create Liquidity Pool button and sign the transaction. With that done, your token's live and ready to go to the moon. Take a look. The coin I just created is already here on Photon. This is huge because there are thousands of investors watching this list constantly. Now we've got to check the chart of our coin, and I'll show you the best way to do that right now. Open DEX screener and select any random token. Here's the slick trick. Replace the address in the URL bar with yours from Solana tokenlabs.io. Wait a sec and you'll see your token's charts. Monitor this number closely. It's your golden ticket to know when to exit after hitting liquidity targets. You'll always see a few transactions over here. The majority of those are bots, so don't mind them. Take it easy and check your Raydium portfolio every few minutes. Stay in the standard view. Your LP stake will appear below any moment from now. Blockchain confirmations aren't instant, so a short wait of 10 to 15 minutes is expected. Don't panic if it takes a while. Guys, look at that. We got our first nice buy for $50, which is 0.5 Solana. We also got a few buys and sells over here. That volume is always appreciated. Market cap is at $375, and the liquidity is at $450 right now. This coin's been doing pretty solid for just 8 minutes in the market. A couple minutes later, and we got another nice buy of $74 that took the market cap up to $650, and the liquidity is at almost $600. That's pretty good. Let's keep waiting for a while to see if we can get any more buys like these. Okay guys, peep this. A couple of pretty good buys came together, one for almost $100 and another one of $50. That's almost 1.5 Solana by themselves. Market cap is at $1,200 now, and the liquidity surpassed $800. This moment is key, so let's just go ahead and claim our profits. Access your Raydium portfolio and check your wallet connection is active first. Using standard view, locate your LP position here. Press the minus icon and push the slider to max, revealing your available funds. Always pay attention to the Solana amount here. That's what you actually get. Click Remove Liquidity whenever you're ready and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation, which means the money is already in your wallet. Just click on your Phantom wallet and check the huge profits there. I just doubled my investment in minutes, and you can do this too. And the best part of all of this is how repeatable the process is. I could literally go and make a new coin right now that will get the same results if done correctly. Guys, I can't stress this enough. This video is done for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so take this at your own risk. I'm not affiliated in any way to Raydium, Solana, tokenlabs.io DEX screener, or any of the platforms used in this video. I'll leave the links down below for you if you need them though. Now, with that said, this method has been working for me at least 90% of the remove liquidity time, so you can go ahead and try it while it lasts.